Hi coders, welcome back to the channel Tech Talks, where we break down complex code into digestible pieces, or we say that is a small pieces. If you are new here, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our deep dives into Java programming. Today we are going to explore a Java program that allows you to manipulate a list of integers through a series of user defined operations. Whether you are searching, sorting, adding, or removing elements, this project has got it covered. Okay, so let's roll up our slaves and get into it. This program is designed to be interactive, allows user to perform a variety of operations on a list of integers. It's a perfect example of how to combine several fundamental Java concepts like loops, ArrayList, methods, and control flow into a cohesive project. Let's start by taking a look at the main method. This is where everything kicks off. Okay, we begin to create a scanner object to capture user input. This is critical because our program is interactive. It asks the user how many integer they want to work with and then reads those values. Then next we initialize an array list of integer. The array list is a part of Java collection framework which provides us with a resizable array perfect for dynamic data handling. Then here we use a for loop to populate our array list with user provide integer. Notice how we are iterating from 0 up to the number the user entered. This loop will read each integer and add it to the list. And once the list is populated, the program enters a loop where the users can choose from a list of operations. This is done using a switch case structure. Each case corresponds to a specific operation the user can perform on the list. Let's walk through each of these options to see what they do. Okay, case one is case one is strength forward. It simply display the current state of the list, whether you are just added the number or performs other operations. This option will show you the list as it. We can call the showList method from the showList class, which prints out all the elements of the array list. This is useful for confirming the current state of your list before making any changes. And next we have case 2, where the user can search for a single element in the list. If the element is found, the program will confirm its presence. Otherwise, it will notify the user that the element is not in the list. Okay, that is our case second. And in this case second, we are utilize the search single element class. Search single element class, that is our class name, single search element class. Specify the search single element method, or the method is our search single element. This method iterates through the list and check if the specific integer is present. It's a simply linear search, but it gets the job done efficiently. Then moving on to case 3, where the program allows you to search for multiple elements. That is our case 3. To search for multiple elements at once. This is great when you need to check for the presence of several values without running multiple searches. And then case 4 allows user to remove an element from the list by specifying its index. This is useful when you know the exact position of the element you want to remove. And then case 5 is similar to case 4 but with a twist. You can remove multiple elements at once instead of deleting element one by one. You can do it all in one go. Okay, then case 6. Uh, then case 6. Sometimes you just want to know how many elements are in your list. Okay, that's what case 6 is for. It simply displays the current size of the list. And adding element to your list is a fundamental operation, and that exactly what case 6 does or 6 7 does. It promotes the user to add a new integer to the list. uh, by the way, we say that adding elements to list in a fundamental operation, and that exactly what case 7 does. Okay, you to add a new element to the end of the list. This keeps the list dynamic and flexible. A new data comes in. And case 8 is a bit more advanced. It lets you combine your current list with another list. This could be useful for merging data sets or adding new batches of elements. In the combine list method, that is our method, we likely promote the user to enter another list, then merge the two lists into one. The result is a single, larger list contains all elements from both lists. Okay, then sometimes you don't want to add an element to the end of the list. Instead, you might want it at a specific position. That's where case 9 comes in. You to specify both the value and the index where you want it inserted. This gives you precise control over the order of element in your list. And case 10 is the reverse of our previous operation. Here you provide an index and the program returns the element at that position. And in case 11, sorting is a powerful operation, and that exactly what case 11 does. Okay, but here the catch: once you sort the list, the original order is lost. Every time you display the list after sorting, it will be in sorted order. Then case 12. Case 12 gives you a reverse view of your list. It's another way to manipulate the data order to suit your needs. Okay, and in case 13, finally, we have case 13 where you can update an exiting element in the list. This is perfect when you need to correct or modify data without removing it entirely. Okay, and now that we understand how the program is structured, let's see its section. Okay, we go to the main class, and click on and run this program. Now program first ask total elements you want to add in first list. We want to add 6 elements, that is 4, 3, 6, 5, 2, 1. Okay, then enter. After that, it it ask about that the choose your operation, like that we first choose the first operation like show normal list element, then we enter 1 and click. Then it show the normal list is like which we entered in starting point 4, 3, 6, 5, 2, 1. After that we perform the second operation. The second operation is search one element. We click, we enter the 2 and enter the search element. It's for element, not index. Okay, search element I want to search is 3. Then element present in the list, yes, 3 is the present in the list. Then after search multiple elements, yeah, we perform the third operation. We Okay, how many value you want to search? First you want to ask how many value you want to search. I want to 3 value in this project. Enter the 3 elements is 4, 5 and 7. 4, 5 is, we know that 4, 5 is exist in this program, but 7 is not exist in this list. Okay, and enter. It show that present value 4, 5, but not present value is 7. Okay, that is true or not? We see that we enter the 1 and yes, 4, 5 is present, but 7 is not present. So this program says that present value is 4, 5, not present value is 7. Okay, now we perform the fourth operation. Fourth is remove by the index number. That element is not by the remove by its value, but it's removed by the index, like that. We want to remove in first in zeroth index is 4. I want to remove that is 0 index. Okay, we enter 0 and after that we see the list is 3, 6, 5, 2, 1. That is 4 is removed from 0th index because I entered the 0th index. After that we perform the fifth operation, and fifth operation says that remove multiple elements. Total value you want to remove. Okay, I want to remove 3 value. Enter the 3 value. 3 value is 3, 5 and 8. What he says that because 3, 5 is exist in this list but 8 is not exist, not present in the list. Okay, we see that what remove element was present in list 3, 5, remove element was not present in list 8. Okay, so we are only able to remove this element 3 and 5. Wow, that is good. Okay, we check the list. Yes, it's remove the 3 and 5 because we have only 3 elements 6, 2 and 1. Okay, after that we want to see the size of list, that is 6 and size of the list total elements are 3. Yeah, the size of the list is 3. Then 7 we add an element, we want to add 4. Okay, We went to 4, that 4, add the element, enter an element 4. Yeah, like that is the value how many uh, elements you want to add. Okay, 4 for like is 3, 7, 9 or 8. Then enter, element add successfully. Then we check the element is add or not. Yes, the element is add, that is 4, add 6214. Yes, it's added. Then 8, total size of list is 4. Enter the 4 elements is 8, 9, 5 and 0. Okay, then combine list successful. We see that is 1 is 62148950. It's combined the list. Now we perform the ninth operation. Ninth operation is add an element in an index, enter the index number, element in an index. We want to in zeroth index, which you add in index. We want to index add in 10. It's add, then we check it's 10 is all is add in zeroth index. Now we perform the 11th operation. 11th operation is sorted, that is sorted 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then go to 12. 12 says that show index number of an element. Show index number of an element, enter the element. We enter the element, not an index number. Okay, we find the index number of 5. Okay, we enter the 5. Then the 5 is present in the index 4, that is true or false. 0 1 2 3 4, that is right. Yes. Now finally operation is 13th operation, and after that we exit the program. Okay, 13 is says that update an element of an index. Wow, that is a good operation. Enter the index number which we want to update. We want to update is uh, 0th index. Okay, that is easy. Enter the element. In 0th index we have a 0 element. The value of 0 in index is 0. Okay, so we want to 11. Then check it, and after check it, it's 11. Yes, it's updated. 11 update in 0 index. 11 1 2 3 4. Yeah, now again we sort this list. We sort the list 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Now we want to check the size is, what is the size? For check the size we perform the sixth operation. The operation is 6, then check the size is 9. Size of the list is 9. 1 2 1 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah, that's true. Okay, now we exit or stop this project of this program. Okay, and enter 0. Exiting. If you enjoy this deep dive and found it helpful, make sure you like the video and share it with your fellow programmers. And of course, if you have any question or suggestion, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more coding tutorials and project breakdowns. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Keep coding and stay curious. Thank you.